PDF is the abbreviation of Portable Document Format with many advantages, such as being compatible with multiple platforms, keeping original file layout, allowing file encryption, and so on. So, how do we export the WPS presentation as a PDF? Take this slide as an example. Click the Tools tab above, and then click the Export to PDF button. In the pop-up dialog box, we can choose the export range of the converted PDF. You can click Add Files if there are other documents that you want to convert together. At the Export Type at the bottom of the dialog box, ordinary users can only select Common PDF, while WPS Premium can also choose to output Image PDF. The main difference between them is that the former can edit pictures and words in PDF files, while the latter is saved as pictures and can't be edited and copied. Click Advanced Settings to set the output content, such as slides, handouts, notes page, and outline view. Generally, we choose slides, then each page of a PDF will contain a slide after output. If we need to output multiple slides on the same PDF page, we can choose handouts. Either 6 or 9 slides per page are all available. Select Notes page, and the output will be in Note page view mode. The main content of a PDF page includes a slide and notes. If we only want to output the outline of the WPS presentation file, click Outline view. Finally, we can set different permissions and open passwords for the exported PDF file, thus protecting it. For example, if we want to prohibit printing this file, we just need to set the permission password and check Print is forbidden. After setting, select the Save path, and finally click Export to PDF. Finally, open the output PDF file to check the effect, and the file is forbidden to print. What a practical feature! Did you get it?